Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you how to get a free Carfax report. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So if you're looking at used cars and want to peek at its history without dropping 45 bucks on a Carfax report, well, in this case, it's completely understandable here. Now, while Carfax is a business that closely guards its data, there are a few totally legitimate ways to snag that information for $0. Now, first, the absolute easiest route is checking major online listings. Now, if you look for cars on sites like for example, Auto Trader here, or even cars.com, or something similar, or Carfax own used car database. So if you try visiting your website, the platforms or sellers have usually paid for the report upfront to attract buyers. So in this case, what you need to do is just scroll down to the listing, look for that little blue Carfax icon, clicking and opens the full premium history completely for free. Now, in some cases, they may require you to log in or to basically create an account in order for you to fully view it. So just keep that in mind. Second, if you're dealing with a dealership here, so check their actual website and inventory. So reputable dealers keep these reports readily available on their digital lot to build trust. Now, if you don't see a link, literally just ask the salesperson to text or email it over. Now, they have massive enterprise subscriptions and will gladly pull it for you to keep the conversation going. Now, if it's a private seller, just ask them directly. So many proactive sellers buy multi-packs to prove their car is actually clean. Now, in some cases, if they don't provide any documents or details about this, well, you may need to think about it carefully if you really want to further that specific conversation. And also, finally, here's a little insider hack or trick that you may want to know. So you may want to download the free Carfax Car Care app. Now, if you plug in the car's VIN or vehicle identification number here or license plate, now it won't give you the format stamp PDF, but it will instantly unlock a massive timeline of the car's past maintenance history, odometer logs, and active recalls for absolutely nothing here. So you're getting that information completely free. So in this case, it's an incredibly easy way to protect your own wallet and make sure you aren't accidentally buying a lemon here. And also, just another thing here, just a quick warning. So if anyone asks for details, like if you're trying to get free Carfax from unknown websites and they ask you to provide your email or your card information, do not believe those websites. So sometimes they are just going to steal your information. So that's why visiting and only using official and trusted websites is the way to go here. And that's about it. So if you found this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.